India found it very tough playing against UAE. What do you think about that?
India found it tough playing against UAE.
Yeah.
UAE should never put their foot into football. Sorry, cricket.
I mean, even they were taking it on a lighter note. Maybe that was the reason.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the Ultimate Theory. Now we know India is going to play against Australia to make it to the finals. So we went around and asked a few local fans about their views on this year's World Cup and got some pretty interesting and random answers. Take a look.
Who's your favorite player from the Indian team?
Dhoni.
Actually, I'm a football player.
All the girls like Virat Kohli.
Virat Kohli.
Yeah.
What is he? Okay, just a question. What does he do for a living?
Virat?
Yeah.
He dates Anushka.
Yeah. How about Malinga?
No.
I'm just kidding.
Why do you say so? He's the coolest captain. Like
Rohit Sharma.
So, how did you feel when Rohit Sharma hit a double century against Afghanistan the other day in the match?
Actually, I was not very sure he would actually perform, but when I saw that, I felt good that it's an Indian doing it.
My favorite cricketer, Virat Kohli.
Virat Kohli, why?
I mean, his technique, his aggression. I find the next Saurav Ganguly in it.
Modi never really said any of these, but take a look at what our fans have to say.
okay. Did you know that Modi asked Tendulkar to be a part of the Indian team this year and he refused? Yes. Really? Okay. Okay, it's every Indian wish to play Sachin more and more games, but we have to respect his feelings also.
Did you know that Dhoni was a football player before joining the Indian team?
Yes, I will.
So, how do you feel when Mr. Modi had asked him to come back and join the Indian football team after the World Cup?
For him, it would have been a good.
I guess he's very good with cricket itself, because he was saying football, it's a big goal and two small hands, whereas in cricket it's a small ball and two big gloves. So better he sticks with cricket.
But when I hear about it, it sounds nice. I mean, Dhoni coming into the football is a very different thing. I mean, he's a cool captain. He would be a good asset to the football.
Football for Indian.
Actually, Mahendra Singh is such a guy. If he plays hockey also, he'll show his mark there. He'll do the helicopter shot.
That's cool. Like, not only sticking to wicket keeping, like that's like experimenting the team.
Yeah, that's true.
Who do you think is going to win the World Cup this year?
Equal chances are there. If India manages to win tomorrow, they will take the World Cup.
India.
No doubt, it should be India and always India.
Obviously,
India.
Obviously India, dude. Come on.
Like, how are you so sure?
6 consecutive wins.
Obviously India.
I guess India only.
Why do you think India would go into the World Cup?
Because we have Virat, and Virat got good luck Anushka.
Anushka is going to the match to see the semi-finals very soon. Do you think that would affect Virat Kohli's
Obviously, Virat's performance is so screwed up. I don't think anybody going there would elevate him in any position.
Definitely. It won't affect Virat Kohli, but it will affect the entire India.
Again making a century and.
Well, I don't know. I don't think about the team or something like that, but it will affect mainly the Virat Kohli. It will affect the Virat Kohli's batting.
That is true.
If she is in the match, miss, you can sure it.
So, his performance?
I guess they are in good relationship.
And she will affect us also. Boys do really try to show up in front of the girlfriends, so it doesn't.
Maybe Anushka Sharma,
I think girlfriends and wives are not
allowed.
As long as he doesn't keep seeing her while batting.
That is true. How did you feel when Yuvraj was not on the team?
He's not in the team?
Yeah, he's not on the team.
I'm sorry, I'm not into cricket. Do you think if Yuvraj were on the team, it would have made a difference?
He would have done something.
Okay.
Yeah.
But Dhoni is equal to all the players.
Can you name some 5 players from the Indian team that are playing for the first time in the World Cup?
5. Yes. Most of the bowlers, the Shami, there's Mohit Sharma.
Mohit Sharma.
There's
Like, what do you think about Dhoni's bowling against Afghanistan?
Afghanistan is in the World Cup?
So
I didn't know that. I didn't see, but okay.
That's a new thing which he's picking up. I think he should nurture it more, and definitely he's got the skills to come up with.
Basically, I would see it that way. We're giving them a chance to score some runs. Simple as that.
Nice talking to you guys.
When did Afghanistan play against India?
Don't give it up. Hashtag we won't give it up.
Team India just still bring the World Cup again. Wishes we won't give it back. That's it.
Yeah, we won't give it back.
Yeah, cool.
Team India, all the best. We won't give it back.
Guys, we won't give it back and we shouldn't give it back, and this is our time and we're gonna rock.
Okay.
We won't give it back. All the best, India. May you win.
All the best, India.
India, do well. We are waiting for you.
Waiting for the World Cup.
Yeah, all the best.
India, you rock. You've been rocking till now. Do well. We all are there to support you. Cheers, India.
Yeah, we can just
all the best and chill, and they're anyways going to win us. All of us are with them.
Funny response, right? What are you waiting for? Go share with your friends, support Team India in the semi-finals. Be blue. Stay tuned for more theories. Go share.